You want a giant, big boy?
I'll do it. Yeah.
You pull the skin off.
Oh.
Cadillacs. Is that you? Give us a bosh on the camera. Bosh. So today is the day. It is bonfire night. We're gonna go see what's going on for the setup. Luckily there isn't much of a setup for this. There's a few things to do, but nothing in comparison to putting on a car show or a wedding, for example. Me and Ben later are gonna dress Guy Fawkes. Oh, and here's Buddy.
I was just going to drop you a message. Would you be able to get on one of your next jobs, get some nice pictures of the hot chocolate so I can get some on the stories just to keep people excited? Please.
Didn't see the vlog camera incoming there,
No,
did you?
Bonfire night tonight. We've got to make the Guy Fawkes, which we should vlog making the Guy Fawkes. That'd be class.
I've already told them that's what
we're doing it?
Yeah,
right,
we're doing it.
So we'll do that. I'll just do this stuff here because we're actually short-staffed at the minute. So if anyone wants a job, yeah, hit us up. We've got guests coming in an hour, and they've paid for a pretty hot tub, and there's no water in the hot tub yet.
And it needs to be warm for them.
Yeah, it needs to be warm. 40 minutes to fill up.
Did you say 14 or 40?
40.
40 minutes. So they're here in an hour. It's going to take 40 minutes to fill up.
Yeah.
So then we've got 20 minutes to get it nice and warm.
Which is an impossibility. Hello, boss.
Good boss, you.
I'm at a campsite.
How are you? Okay, we're there.
Albert! Hello, boy! Oh, what is it?
Sandwich.
Hey up, lad! Woohoo! What have you got? What have you got? Oh, thank you. Can I have a cuddle? Oh, my boy. Hello. Should we do this? Should do this to Marcus? Go. Bash! Do it.
Bash.
Oh! Can I go on my shoulders?
You've been in a mood.
I know, yeah. You're in a mood with me, aren't
to
you?
Marcus?
You're in a mood with me. Look, you won't even give us a fist bump.
Go. Bash!
Bash. Go on, give us a
Bash!
bash. Here comes Digger. Hey, Digger. Hello.
Wanna talk to the digger?
This is what it is. Look.
Oh, hello, Digger.
Is he getting you?
Yeah,
Is digger getting you?
yeah.
It's funny, wasn't it, Albert?
Yeah,
Like that? Albert, should we put on the vlog?
yeah.
Yeah. All right, I will.
Are you on for making Guy Fawkes? Yeah. Are you keen? Yeah.
Give me an idea what you want.
Either me and Marcus are gonna make it.
Clothes. I'll make it suit the clothes.
Heard that? Man's got
Sick.
Man's got
Man's
talent.
got talent.
What we could do? I think it'd be sick, Marcus, if time lapsed it.
Time lapse, like putting it all on.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Right then, we'll draw the face. Like, should we draw like Alf or someone?
Alfie. This is what he said.
What did you say, Chris?
Just go and get the mop out the cupboard.
I need your help.
With?
I need an old mop head, and I can't use you.
Mate, it's a bit rich coming from you.
I have got a mop.
Brother. Yeah, exactly. It's what I thought.
Oh yeah, I need a dusty old broom. I can't use you.
Can't use an absolute babe, can you? That definitely looks like you as well.
Well, no, it's meant to be Alfie.
Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm Marcus. I have a Suzuki Jimny.
That's not what I sound like.
I do my own Instagram on the side. I like going hiking.
Yeah, Right, Alf! How was your travels, lad?
I don't really like rosemary. Right then, this can be the next bit. Oh, here we
so
go.
good.
He looks class, doesn't he?
Literally class.
Alf there.
Little Alfie.
Yeah, Alf.
Oh, he's in Spain.
Ben wants to draw this face. Ruby, we've got your boyfriend. He's just there.
That looks scary. Whose trousers are they?
It's a jumpsuit, actually.
The face is good. Who did the face?
I did the face.
It's crap.
Oh, is this you? This is Ben. Go on then, let's see. Hold it up. Perfect. It looks just like you.
Sounds.
It's gonna help?
Yeah, can you do some chicken?
Yeah, as soon as this head goes on, I can do the chicken.
And cauliflower and blue.
Oh. There we go. Ben is complete. Oh. Sort of. Is that one of your old ones? Is it?
shirts, that Marcus. You want some more?
Sorry.
Want some more?
Yeah.
Are these flame-proof overalls?
What do you think, Caitlin?
So good.
Can you tell who's who?
So what, is one Ben and one Alfie?
Yeah. Maybe they might stood outside. Whoa. Can we help you? You're not meant to just stand there.
So it's all going off. Dan's been buying loads of food, which is class. Oh, he's spotted them.
Our pals here.
What do you think?
Look at them.
Do you like them?
Class, aren't they?
Mate, the one on the right looks like you.
I'm going to do the toffee apples for you later on.
Ooh, what have you got?
So we've got the old garlic. The garland.
Oh yeah.
The old royal gala.
Ooh.
The sweetest apparently for toffee apples.
Oh, we've even got
And then
vegan
we've got,
sweets.
yeah, well, I thought
Yeah.
this day and age, you never know who's going to come through the door.
What are you doing, son?
Making the old toffee apple. Crispy, sweet.
Sweet. Mmm.
So we've got a bit of little toppings to go on, a bit of nuts. We've got the ingredients.
So we've got the finished station. That's where we'll cook it. The apples.
Just sticking them in the base.
The what?
The base, at the bottom.
Sticking them in the bottom of the apple. Dan seemed real confident about this whole toffee apple thing, and then now it's actually came down to it. He's a bit worried, aren't you?
I've never done it before.
What's going on, gangsters?
Oh, here we go. Here we go, straight in.
Yeah.
We just agreed for we've got an NDA on the taco truck.
Yeah.
Like,
That
so
is.
you can film the truck.
He doesn't know what an NDA is, don't worry. Taco Porium, man, how cool.
That is sick. That is sick.
Does that sign
Yeah,
come up?
yeah, we don't have one of those that says hot dogs.
Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about that.
That goes up and it says tacos.
Yeah,
we can
class.
put that up, but
We can maybe scribble on
People
it,
will-
like hot dogs too.
tacos.
Hey, Summer.
Food for tonight.
Yeah, look at it. Sick, that, innit?
Yeah,
We're
it's
not having
unreal.
tacos, however.
What are we having?
It's hot dogs that are coming out of that today.
Oh.
Won't stand up. So what's going on in here then?
This is where the s'mores are going to be, and then we've got the pick and mix and the toffee apples in the van, but Tom's in the van tonight.
Here he is, big man. The man himself. I don't know if the vlog's met Tom yet.
Nah, I'm actually.
No, is this your first time on the vlog?
Yeah.
Right, Tom. What's your favourite soup?
Soup,
Yeah,
chicken and mushroom.
that's the second one I've heard that today.
Chicken and mushroom.
Ruby's getting jealous. Look, she's came out of the van.
My favourite soup is bacon and broccoli.
Oh, just as I'm going back inside, boom. What are you saying, Ben?
We're back again. Can you believe it?
Yeah. You're never leaving at the moment. That's it now.
Bonfire night.
Bonfire night.
Shooting flash tonight.
Shooting flash. Look at this.
On film.
That is a beautiful camera, that, innit?
You know what you're doing with that little camera, do you, son?
Oh, he does.
It's not my first rodeo with this little boy.
We've got a nut mix. We've got gold stars and goodness. We've got the old little crunch balls.
That's 150 degrees, so you need to really be careful. Really careful. I mean, we found out that it was at temperature because it's meant to harden as soon as it comes out, and it went straight on the Dan's hands.
Dots and it instantly cracked.
And it instantly hardened on his hands, so he was in pain, but he was also happy because we know that we got it to the right temperature. So we've got about 50 of these to do, and we'll be back to it.
1 hour later.
And we've finished the toffee apples.
Doing a little s'mores plate. We've got the more healthy one over here. So we've got some strawberries. I'm going to chop some banana. We've got the giant marshmallows. We're just taking the second s'mores tray out. Look at that.
Look at that, man. Look at him go.
Oosha.
Boom. You got it? Look at him go. Look at him go.
Right, you got him on, Dan.
It's delicious.
Smells pretty damn good, doesn't it?
Caramelized onion. That's just me.
Are you ready for the big influx of people? There's going to be
ready for Sausage Fest, yeah.
Sausage Fest. Here it comes.
You've got obviously your s'mores, you've got your s'mores sticks, your toffee apples and your pick and mix. This is all free for everybody because it's included in their ticket price, but obviously just try and kind of monitor how much it obviously gets taken by one person, just then everyone gets it. But last year it was absolutely fine, and then yeah, you'll be in here 7:30 till 9. Is that all good?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. And then you can supervise with sparklers as well. You're Mr. Health and Safety.
You couldn't choose a worse person to be health and safety.
What are you doing?
Unsticking them.
He's unsticking them?
Yeah, because so in like an hour they're not fully stuck like they were now, because I've been on it for ages. Especially yours.
Well, that's what I did, isn't it? Go on. Unstick it.
It's not, it's actually fully stuck. It's fully stuck. It's fucking rough.
No.
It's fully stuck. You could have that.
I don't want it. It's gonna be like the sword in the stone.
I know.
King
But
Arthur.
like, if you can get it off, you can have it.
Getting it roaring for when everyone rocks up.
Oh yeah.
And it begins. Just the start of the night. Starting to pack out slightly. Everyone's going at it. Oh, hi Mark.
I'm good, I've got half a lager.
Oh, he's in heaven. And who's that there?
This is the star man.
Is that the star man?
This is the star man eating his biscuit.
Are you going to give us a little bash on the camera? Give us a bash on the camera. Bash! Yeah! Any luck? He's done it! Go on. The gang are busy at it.
Alright son, alright.
Mate.
Busy as it.
Hi Abby!
Hey guys!
Hiya.
Not actually working this event, so I'm actually enjoying it. And I've got little Frank here.
Who's this? Frank! Frank! Hey Frank! You're loving it.
I've had one of the free cocktails that you get with the ticket. It's like the punch bowl kind of thing.
Oh yeah?
Very like autumnal, you would say.
Hello!
Hello!
Hey Albert!
We've got a little under the weather Albert, so we're watching some farming.
Are you watching some farming?
Woo! Best thing ever!
I bet he's loving it. Got a spin on there, haven't you?
And then what you do, yeah, this is banging. You pull the skin off. You don't actually eat the full marshmallow.
Right.
Take that. Oh, good.
Dan's teaching people how to make s'mores.
You help yourself to your add-ons. Do you want one? Of course you can.
No, Dan.
All good. How are you doing? Love enjoying the vibes.
Yeah, loving it.
Do you want a marshmallow? You want a giant, big boy?
I'll do it. Oh, yeah. You are in your element, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. I love it.
We'll leave Dan B for a little bit. Oh, you're sorted.
Stick's on fire.
Of course, you know, help yourself to the chocolate.
Oh no, it's stuck on my stick.
Oh.
Help yourself.
Watch out, watch out. It's good. Oh, you just bit the flame.
Good fire.
Good fire.
Just get the other side of it.
All right, Sam. Here's Guy. Is he all right? There he is. Hey!
What do you think, Caitlin?
What everything you put on it? It's actually crazy how much it's going. That is so much better than last year, actually.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's class, that.
Or just normal.
Chocolate crunch, me lord.
Perfect.
You can work that out and do a little Dan takeover.
So we've got normal toffee apple, we've got chocolate crunch, sprinkles or nuts.
Got the glizzard.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Hey Marcus, how's it going?
I'm not bad, bro. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good man, good man. Came for a cheeky dog.
You know it.
Damn, gives a look.
Thank you.
Fully loaded. Fully loaded. Are we doing team?
Yeah, it's been class. Probably my favourite event yet, actually.
You reckon?
Yeah, because
I like all the dogs.
Here he comes. Boom! How we doing, Ben? Don't try and run away from me.
Oh, I'm just working, man. Flying through it.
Yeah.
Second roll.
Successful.
Very.
You got some bangers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't miss me, man.
What's going on, man?
Hey, bloody fantastic, if I do say so myself. Thoroughly enjoyable.
Yeah, it was nice, man. It was nice. Played some bangers. You managed to catch the vibe exactly, like.
Yes, mate. Thanks,
straight up, mate. Yeah. Did you do your schmore?
Yeah, I did, but I ended up like this. I don't know if you can see.
do you want me to get a little torch?
I think you need to get a little torch. I was.
There you go.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh.
So I went to blow on my schmore.
On the schmore.
And I went like this, and it got attached, and I was like, trying to rip it off my mouth, and then burnt it. So this is my friend now, the ice cube. What did you just call it? A schmore. It's called a s'more, but.
So Summer came out and was like, I want a schmore. I was like, okay, I'll go make you one. Because she's on the bar. Here you go, Summer.
Thanks, sugar.
No problem.
Oh, that's not going to go.
There we go. Look how happy she is. But do you want one?
Yeah, split that in half. Oh, I'm too good. I'm filthy.
Right, Pip wanted to go.
All out.
We're going all out with this one.
Let's get that on there.
Up, up. Oh, hey.
Oh.
See you later, man.
See you later.
The event's nearly finished. Got a few people here. There's probably another 20 people out there. Once they leave, it's the clean up.
It's the clean up.
Clean up, and I like to try and stay and help everyone because there's loads to do in there. But yeah, the cleanups to do, lots to do. Very excited though. I've had a class event, but tell you what,
nice.
That Guy Fawkes was a little bit naughty. If that like on fire man fell on someone, Kip and Nook's getting a bit of a nah. We're learning, aren't we? Everything we're doing, we're learning.
Exactly. Part of the process, mate. Part of the.
But it was class. What a night! What a night!
It's been a good one.
If you're gonna go to any bonfire night, I would come Skip and Nooks. It was a lovely, lovely, like wholesome family vibe.
It was the best vibe I've seen.
Beautiful
at a bonfire night.
People were nice, and like someone came up to me. It was actually one of the Ather boys went to me. So I bought some other shoes to go in the field for the big fire, and I was like, no, this is the fire. This is it. So I was a little bit like, oh man, is everyone expecting something big? But when we pulled Guy out and put him on the fire, I think that was pretty spectacular.
Yeah.
That's better than a firework going. The sparklers were dead. Wherever we got those from, they were bad sparklers. Also, as Caitlin was so buzzing as well, she was like, I've got the gold one, sparkler gold, as in like the creme de la creme ones. You got them out the packet and they were like, they were terrible.
Yeah.
But 100% next bonfire night. Come here, it's amazing. So sparklers are good. There's no bloody bonfire in the field. There's no bloody fireworks. But there's
dogs.
But there's hot dogs. There's hot dogs.
There's hot dogs. There's normal dogs.
In a bit.
There's good company. There's vibes. Why we didn't get a boosh?
Hey? In a bit.